Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're taking an in-depth look at the monTEK heavy-duty ultra-slim TV wall mount. Designed for 50 to 100-inch TVs, supporting up to 185 pounds. This mount is a full-motion solution, featuring swivel, tilt, and extension capabilities with articulating dual arms, making it a versatile choice for any home or office setup. One of the standout features of this mount is its ultra-slim design. When fully retracted, it sits just 1.37 inches from the wall, which is thinner than many similar full-motion mounts. This allows your TV to blend seamlessly into your space while still giving you the flexibility to pull it out when you need a better viewing angle. The mount also includes integrated cable management clips, helping you conceal wires for a clean, professional look. In terms of movement, this mount offers a plus or minus 30-degree swivel, which lets you angle your TV toward your seating area easily. It also provides a plus 3 to minus 15-degree tilt, reducing glare and improving your viewing comfort whether you're sitting, standing, or lying down. The extension range is impressive as well, from 1.37 inches all the way out to 10.19 inches, allowing for optimal positioning in various room layouts. Strength and stability are key with large TVs, and monTEK has delivered here. The mount is made of heavy-duty alloy steel and has been tested up to 4 times its maximum load. With thickened articulating arms and security screws, you can confidently support TVs up to 185 pounds. To add a touch of elegance, the mount comes with decorative covers that hide screws and hardware, keeping the setup looking sleek. Installation is designed to be quick and straightforward. The package includes detailed instructions, a bubble level, a drill template, and clearly labeled hardware. You simply attach the wall plate, mount the TV using the VESA-compatible holes, and you're ready to go. The whole process can take around 15 minutes, making it accessible even for DIY enthusiasts. This heavy-duty ultra-slim TV wall mount is compatible with a wide range of TVs, both flat and curved, with VESA patterns from 200 by 200 up to 800 by 600 millimeters. It's suitable for mounting on wood studs, concrete, and brick walls, but it's important not to install it on drywall alone. This makes it a durable and versatile solution for almost any large screen setup. In summary, if you're looking for a full-motion, ultra-slim TV wall mount that combines strength, flexibility, and style, this heavy-duty ultra-slim TV wall mount is a strong contender. Its sleek design, extensive movement range, and robust construction make it perfect for living rooms, home theaters, or even meeting rooms. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more detailed product reviews.